Good afternoon, everyone. I warmly welcome all the participants who have joined in for this session. As you are aware, this COVID crisis has created an unprecedented chaos, wherein conventional methods of teaching has suddenly become redundant. However, it also opens a Pandora box of opportunities for people who are still wanting to learn. And it's a great opportunity for individuals to enhance through their cognitive skills so that when the market will become normal, they are well prepared. So, this COVID crisis be taken as an asylum for unprecedented duration. We at DSPSR are providing you a unique platform, ammunition, and tools to equip yourself to enhance your overall personality. As one rightly said, one doesn't need to wait for the opportunity, and we at Delhi School of Professional Studies and Research are providing you this flip to jump. Now, without much further ado, I would like to request our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor G.S. Popli, to address the students. All the students can mark their attendance here.
Thank you, Dr. Sakshi Gupta ji, for giving wonderful introduction of the bridge course which we are going to start today. I welcome you all on behalf of Delhi School of Study and Research. The students who are already enrolled in the other courses, they might have understood by now that ours is a different institute. Our focus is on holistic development of a child. We provide you all the resources, all the opportunities which will help you to become a very good professional and a good human being. Here we start the day with meditation, then so many other things are happening here, like international conference, industrial visits, then on different aspects of life which are very important for your overall development, whether it is in the field of sports, music, festival, or other management aspects. All these are students driven. So just wishing for it will not going to take you anywhere. One philosopher says you get whatever you work for and not whatever you wish for. I wish so many things, but I will have to come out of my comfort zone. In Gita also it has been said, कर्मणे वाधिकारस्तु माँ फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म पर हमारा अधिकार है, कर्म तो करना पड़ेगा. So we have provided you this opportunity, whatever you have learned up till now, and what will be your next 3 years future, that is known as bridge course. Here, from one bank to another, as Dr. Sakshi told you, that this time can be used by enhancing your skills. And kindly believe me that mere degree is not going to serve the purpose. Here, the industry wants to see what you have learned and what you can execute. We are conducting every Saturday a talk from alumni because they are the better person who can tell you how their journey have been, and when they have followed the teacher, how they have become a well settled professional and good human being. So my humble submission in today's this tough time, kindly note down and think on these words. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Positivity is going to take you definitely a very good human being, because not only you will be helping yourself by keeping yourself fit, physically fit, mentally alert, and by devoting some time by Simran or remembering God. You are also supposed to take care of your family, your parents, because they have done a lot for you. So kindly make them also to join with you. They also will learn how the skills are going to help them and you also. So it is a platform which have been provided by my faculty members. They have worked very hard for it. Dr. Sakshi Gupta, Dr. Sugandh Rawal, and back end so many teachers who are associated with this, that this institute is different from other institution in so many ways. So your first step will be selection of courses, selection of institution, and then definitely you will to work for it, not sitting idle. You will have to step out, as I told you, from your comfort zone. And this is the best time which you can use for sharpening your skills, right? कर्म करें तो फल मिलता है, आज नहीं तो कल मिलता है, जितना गहरा खोदे कुआं उतना मीठा जल मिलता है. So you will have to work hard. When you will focus on this skills and make best of this time, definitely you will be ahead of others. This institution is different from other institution because this is headed by academicians and experts from industry, right? So our worthy chairman, let me tell you that he is ex-head and dean of Delhi School of Economics, Delhi University. He is 87 years old by now, but very sharp and keep on guiding us what we should arrange for the students, right? Our worthy president is vice chancellor of Shri Shri University, Cuttack. Lot of things are happening there. So I can assure you on behalf of Delhi School of Professional Study and Research that we will provide you the best opportunities, the best options to grow, wonderful library, wonderful canteen, wonderful building, wonderful computer lab, and faculty always willing to help you. This is one simple example that how we have decided to serve our student, to serve our society from where we got many things. So make best use of this opportunity. Not only you should be regular, you should attend to assignments given to you and kindly introduce other students to this platform so that they also will be grateful to you and their families also, because you will be making best use of this opportunity. So they definitely will tell you what courses they are going to cover, and still if you have any other suggestions, kindly fill it in the form. So with these words, because ultimately I want you to listen, I want you kindly sit down with diary and pen, note down whatever detail they provide you, and come out with suggestions also. What do you want? How you would like you to be uh, provided all the things which are important for you as per your level. So with these words, I wish you all the best and welcome you on behalf of Delhi School of Professional Study and Research, Rohini, Delhi. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. Be happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, to motivate the students to increase their knowledge and skills through our bridge course. Now, I would like to request the participants to kindly fill the attendance as it has been shared on chat. It will take 2 minutes. Now, let's make the session more interesting through live poll with you all by Dr. Sugandh Rawal and Ms. Mukta Katyal. Please, ma'am.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hopefully,
Yes.
you're able to see my screen. Very good afternoon. You can check. Those who are not able to listen to us, please, on the left side, the option is given, join audio. You can click on that. And on the join audio, the two options would be given. You need to select the first option, that is called via device audio, so that you can easily listen to us. Now, let's start to know yourself so that we could easily map your personality, your expectations with what we are delivering. We all welcome you to Delhi School of Professional Studies and Research. Moving to the first question, you need to check the link of the question in the chat. This is the first question. You can check in the chat. What do you want to do with your business degree, BBA or BCom? So, which option you can choose? First, you will go for a job. Second, will you start a business? Another will join your family business. Fourth, you will go for further study. Yes, here I could see the most of the people are responding. Yeah, the most of the options are coming. The 67% around, most of you are saying that you will go for a further study. However, some of the persons are also saying that they will go for job. Some options are coming for they will start a business. Okay. Yes, the results are also still coming. The people are answering. Yes. So the majority of you will go for the further education. So, and you need to groom yourself for that also to have the admission in the MBA before that. So the answers are still coming. The people are responding. Now it's still, yes. No, it's still moving. People are responding. Yes. Yes, I think it's stopped now. Yeah. No. Yes, it's over. Yes. 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 So we can say there are lots of the changes, but most of the people will go for MBA and for the job and others. So next question we can check for. Okay. So the next question for you is, okay. So are you a people person? The people have started answering before it's presenting. One who well works with others, socialistic, who can enjoy everywhere. So most of the people are saying yes, they are very socialistic. They can easily manage with them. Around 80 plus people are saying yes to it. Yes. So it's still going on. Most of the people are saying no. Now it reaches to 90%. So most of you are very socialist. You can be a good leader. Yes, it's still moving. The people are responding. Now it's coming below 90%. So now again it shifted above. Yes. So we can see it's about to end. Yes, it's end now. Now we can move to the next question. Please rate your knowledge of accountancy, recording and posting transactions. It could be high, low, negligible. Again, you can check the chat and respond to the third question. Yes, it's low. Okay, so we can work accordingly because the most of the people are saying it's low and some are also saying it's negligible. We can easily focus for the bridge courses. We can try to improve your accountancy knowledge. Yes, next we are moving to the fourth one. How much comfortable you are in speaking and writing English language? Are you very much comfortable or moderately or not? You can respond accordingly. No, people are not saying comfortable. Although it's equal now. No, it's still moving. Yes. So most of them are moderately comfortable, which is coming, because not comfortable at all or also, yeah. So 20% around 23% are very comfortable too. Yes, it's over. So we can focus on your soft skill and the language part. Next, it's come. Can you easily handle your emails? You can easily do your mails. You can send draft the letters easily. No, somebody are saying they don't know anything about it. It's moving. Yes, you can do. Everybody is aware, I suppose. Little bit. Yes. Most of the people can say that they can easily do. So that's well good. We'll try to help you in the drafting the business letters, which we'll be learning here. Next. So, are you comfortable on working on Microsoft Word and as well as Excel too? So you can also answer if you can or not much aware or you don't know anything about it. For the sixth question, yes, you can do. It's very good. We're having so much caliber in our audience. So we can easily map and move to the next step to learn more exciting things. Yes, now it's over. So most of you can do, but some are not aware, so we can focus. Another thing comes, have you studied mathematics as a subject in your class 12? So most of it could be yes or no. Let's see. What's your answer? Yes, it's still, oh, okay. So it's 50-40, yes, it's moving. So we are having the audience mix of around 60% of those who are not having. Around, yes. It's almost 50%, 40 and 52. Yes. Next, are you a maths person? Even if it is not in your 11 or 12, you can enjoy keeping track of the work with numbers and good at managing the financial aspects of the business. If you are from the commerce background or you are already in touch, yes, it's moving. You can see, okay. So, yes, most of the people are saying it's yes. Okay, will accordingly work for the persons who are still not. Another is what kind of personality you are. You really feel that you are very quiet or reserved? No, it's not. We are action oriented or you are friendly or outgoing. You can choose as per what you feel about yourself. Introspect yourself. Okay, you are friendly and outgoing because you are the social person also. Most of the people, I said, they are very socially in meeting with others. Yes. Okay. If it is you are quiet and reserved, it's not a negative thing. We'll discuss also. You are a very thoughtful person there. Okay, we have these responses. We can move to the next, last but not the least, so that we can focus. What is your area of interest to be worked upon? Even if you are excellent in that, or if you want to learn more because you are at the low level or want to know more, explore more in these areas. Yes. Nobody is answering, going for the D section because people have not started doing that. I think, okay. Yes, it's the final answer. We have the mix of answers. The people are not aware of the IT. More of the are in the management. We can work upon this. Yes, thanks for your valuable time. Hope you have learned yourself. And now I would like to invite Ms. Sakshi Gupta to carry on. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Sugan and Ms. Mukhtar for conducting the wonderful session with our students. Now, I hope they have come to know which are the areas they should work over. Now, I would like to give you a brief about the contents of the bridge course in all subjects which we would like to cover in the upcoming sessions. So this is the content of the bridge course. Let's join the journey to enhance your skills. These will be the main subject areas over which we will take the classes: communication, soft skills or language, accounting. In communication and soft skill, we will cover digital soft skills and resume writing. We will add further topics according to the preferences also. Second one is accounting, in which we will talk about accounting basics, journal, ledger, trial balance, and final accounts. In the third subject, IT tools, which is quite useful for all of you as you will go in graduation. First is basics of computer and IT terms. Second one is Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, basics of email, teleconferencing like Google Meet and Zoom. So these will be the areas covered in IT tools. In the fourth subject area, mathematics, we will cover the areas of determinant and matrices, probability and statistics. So these are the broad overview of the following subjects. Next slide. In business communication, we will talk about these few areas: public speaking, group discussion, non-verbal communication, resume writing, interview skills, and presentation skills. Also, we will cover about your soft skills like self-discovery, positivity and motivation, etiquette and manners, time management, personality development, decision-making and problem-solving skills, conflict management, stress management, assertiveness skills, emotional intelligence. These are the accounting basics, in which we will start from the basic concepts and objectives, as few of you have done their accounting subject in commerce streamline. Advantages and limitations, types of accounting information, users of accounting information, qualitative characteristics of accounting information, and role of accounting in business. Next one. Now these are the few basic accounting terms about which the subject in charge will discuss with you. Next. Journal, ledger, and trial balance. In these, we will discuss about the format, posting from journals and subsidiary books, balancing of accounts, and trial balance. Also, we will include the final accounts like revenue and capital receipts, trading and profit and loss account, and preparation of the financial statements. Next slide. These are the detail of the final accounts, outstanding expenses and other related topics, interest on capital and manager's commission, preparation of trading and P&L account, and balance sheet. Now talking about the IT tools, these are the three broad areas as already discussed: basics of computers like system concept, different types of memory, new world IT tech terminologies. In Microsoft Word, you will learn about formatting the documents, paragraph formation, intents, page formatting, header and footer, bullets, numbering, etc. And in Microsoft PowerPoint, you will learn about slide animation, slideshows, formatting, and how to make the PPT more attractive. Next slide. Further topics in IT will be Microsoft Excel, and I think this will be very useful for data analytics, like entering data, entering series, cell referencing, ranges formula, creating tables, graphs, charts, creating database, sorting data, filtering, etc. basics of email, how to attach files from system and drive, schedule emails for later date, CC mails, insert signature, etc. And the last one is teleconferencing tools, how to attend the calls and meetings on Google Meet and Zoom, and how to manage. Next slide. Now talking about the mathematics, these are the few basic areas in mathematics which have already been covered in your class 11 and 12. And just to revive it, we will work over that. Determinants and properties, minors and types of matrix, algebra of matrices, equality of two matrices, adjoint of matrix, inverse of matrix, and so these areas will also be there in first year of BB and BCom honors. So in order to cover that area, we have included probability and statistics. These are the few important areas which you have already done in class 11th and 12th. And again, we will brush it up in the upcoming classes of bridge course. Probability and its properties, events, sample space and outcomes, conditional probability, the law of total probability, random variable and binomial distribution, data, population, sample and variable, continuous and discrete variables, tendency, measures of dispersion. I think this is the most difficult area in mathematics in your class 11th and 12th. Or a composite function, differential of parametric equation, equations of the tangent and the normal to the curve below the equation of the curve. So these are few difficult areas which you might have faced problem in, but here at our bridge course, you can ask your all the queries with the experts and our experienced teachers. Of integration, standard forms, theorems on integration, definite integral, integration by substitution, integration by parts, integration by partial fraction. That's all which we'll cover in the upcoming classes of bridge course. I hope everyone has marked their attendance in the link. Now, to make the session more interactive, our Honorable Director, sir, is here to answer any of your queries related to the course.
So there is a query by Avi Sharma. The query is that what about those students who do not have maths in class 11th and 12th?
Yes, very good question. Avi Sharma? Dev Viswas,
sir.
Avi Sharma?
Yes.
Bete, it's your sweet wish. We have provided you, these are the courses which we are going to offer you. It's your sweet wish whether you want to understand or learn the basic but we promise you that we will not test you. Don't worry. But basic math must be known to all of us. Just go through the syllabus properly. Kindly take me to the math portion. Dev Biswas.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Math slide, please. Further, you will also agree with me that when you'll appear for IP university's test, there will be some questions on math also, right? So these are the basic things which a student or graduate student must know about it. I know today is a computer's time. You can solve everything there, but it is always good to have the basics. So don't worry about anything. Just come and join with your family. We'll tell you the basics and will not test you. Dr. Sakshi, please note down. Please do not test those students uncomfortable in math.
Yes, sir.
Fine?
Sure.
Yeah. Any other query? और this student रवि क्या नाम था इसका Alvi? If there is anything in his mind after my clarification, I can.
Shivi Sharma, you may put your query in the chat box. You are raising your hand. Please mention your query in the chat box. If any student has
In
any
the,
query, you may put your query in the chat box and then we would take them up one by one, please.
in the meantime, I would request all the participants kindly keep on surfing our website. You'll get all the information and options to attend our webinars and other things which are going on. It will give you a chance to meet our previous students, current students, and most of the upcoming generation or the future students. So kindly go for the best, because as I told you, that mere degree is not enough in this era.
So there is one query by Mr. Gautam Yadav. He is asking, will you teach us from the scratch or just some brushing up?
Basically, what do you want? We are here for you. One. Secondly, up to now, you must have learned something. So we will definitely keep on taking your suggestions, and accordingly we will change our syllabi. But at present, right now, what we have planned for you is that we will give you a glimpse, because I don't know when the examination will take place. Time is very short, right? So we'll touch the basics, and if there is any query, I assure you on behalf of my teachers that they definitely will attend to it. And if we start from scratch, then it will not be possible for us to give you what we have intended to give you. Is that clear? Shivanshi Sahu, she wants to say something.
Shivanshi, please put your query in the chat box. Shivanshi has just mentioned integral calculus. Shivanshi, can you be more specific? What do you want to know about integral calculus?
You want us to focus more in on this topic, or what is your query? What do you want? I told you definitely we will provide you the solution material in the class or otherwise. But we are here to make you a good student and a good professional. Because during a short time, it will not possible for us to attend individually queries or to focus on that part. We will take it as a unit and touch the basics. And if you need any further, definitely will provide the material. Because you must have heard that one student, he was afraid of mathematics, which is general tendency. The student of today, they are more fond of mobiles, computers. They calculate here. My daughter also does it like this. Nothing to worry. But still, you are supposed to understand the basics.
There is a query by Vansh Gupta. He's asking, will mathematics be the part of the semester syllabus too?
What do you mean by syllabus 2?
He's asking whether mathematics will, the syllabus of BBA and BCom.
BBA and BCom definitely some stat, not the core mathematics, but some statistical part. Some it depends whether you are going for BCom or BBA. In BBA it is less, but in BCom definitely there are accounts, statistics, and some mathematical portion also. We have very good faculty who will teach you mathematics as per the syllabus, but here definitely will touch the basics. Vandeep Shikha Sharma, she has raised hand.
Shambhavi Gupta is asking, it's a suggestion. Can we focus more on quick maths and reasoning?
Yeah, definitely. We will. Sure, good suggestion. We will do that.
It's a repeat of a question by Aditi Upadhyay. I was not having maths in 11th and 12th. So how will it be possible for me to cope up with that subject?
Nothing to worry. Impossible is a word to be found in the dictionary of fools. I am possible. First, you sow a thought. Yes, I can do it. I can do it. Nothing is impossible. Definitely, if you tutor, we will provide you extra classes. Very intelligent and well qualified mathematics teachers are there. And here you are not going to earn degree in mathematics. Simple mathematics, simple stat, simple accounting is there. Nothing to worry. Don't worry. We will train you. We will provide you all the opportunities. Nothing to worry. Let me tell you that here my faculty members take extra classes of not only math but all the practical papers. In theory, I understand you can manage this way or that way, but in practically you will have to practice. So we arrange special classes for those students who have not opted basic uh, math in their 10th, 11th, 12th. Don't worry. You kindly stick to your mentor, whosoever is mentoring you. We will provide you the opportunity. Not an issue.
There is a query by Tanya. The question is, do you have NCC in your college?
Do you have?
NCC, National Cadet Corps.
Bete, in graduation and post graduation, there are NSS cell. We have a very strong NSL that is being taken care of by a senior faculty, and students are managing it. All the activities are being managed by NSS cell and Rotaract Club. Don't worry. Just let me inform you, along with 5 students, she has gone to Himachal, where all over India there were few students and teachers. They were there for 1 week and they had a very good learning process there. Dr. Poojan Batla. So don't worry, we'll provide you all the opportunities, whatever comes to your mind. We are noting down it, but we have already very well established and active NSSL. NCC is up to 12th only. In all the IP universities, there are few institutions who have opted for NSSL. Here, we celebrate all the festivals all together. Then national importance days like 15th August, Independence Day, or Republic Day, NSS Day, so many activities. You will get all the opportunities to serve in this society. Don't worry. Yeah.
Nancy Bhutani is asking, she is not good with general awareness. So what does she have to do for this entrance examination?
Syllabi is there. Our one parallel course is in progress. You can enroll yourself with that. Definitely will guide you how to clear it. Have you enrolled? You may write down on the chat. If not, kindly enroll yourself because time is running out. Make best use of this extended opportunity.
There is one query. He's asking about the release of admit card for CET.
For
Admit card, CET.
don't worry, that will be displayed on the website of IP University. Things are changing and changing very fast. Maybe after 15th July, you may get some information. But right now, we are as blank as you are. Yeah, I think you should focus more on preparation. Make best use of this time. Prepare yourself for the test, and definitely they will after 15th July. Anytime you can expect. Dr. Deep Vishwas, any other question?
Vansh Gupta be an estimate date for the entrance examination?
Mr. Vansh, as I told you, right now we are as blank as you are or the others are. Right now, we can just speculate that tentatively after 15 July to 31st July, we are expecting that a lot of things will happen during this period. I sincerely request all of you to register in our preparatory course which is going on, which is in process. Already few classes we have arranged, but next classes are also in line. So go to our website, talk to your mentors whosoever have directed you here. They will guide you how to do. Otherwise, on website, my number is there, our registrar's number is there. You may contact. We will provide you the complete information in that respect. Yes, any other question? Dev Biswas?
No, sir. I would just like to add that all the students are requested to regularly check the website of IPU as well as DSPSR. All the information regarding CET would be regularly updated platforms, and also to follow us on all the social media platforms. We are active on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. So make sure you're following us on all the channels and platforms so that you have the required information as and when you need it. Thank you.
You kindly give your hands in our hands. You are safe. This is what I can assure you. Will not allow you to slip any event or any date. Just you have to come forward and be associated with us with one reason or the other. There are our social platforms or our website. We'll keep on updating. And if you are regular in our this bridge course or that preparatory course, then definitely you will get all the information instantly. Any other query? Any other question? Mr. Deep Biswas, somebody has raised his or her hand. Is there any question?
Sir, I'm just checking.
Yeah.
There is one query by Mr. Gautam Yadav that he has applied for BBA. What should he focus on the most?
You should join our preparatory class. Rest, leave on us. We will prepare you for the entrance examination, and rest definitely will follow.
Thank you so much, sir, for resolving the queries of our students. I think they are quite inquisitive to learn new skills to earn an edge over others. Now, I would like to invite Professor Seema Singh, Dean DSPSR, to deliver vote of thanks to our students.
Thank you, Sakshi ma'am. Very good afternoon to Honorable Director Sir, all the faculty members and dear students. So before extending a vote of thanks, I would like to add few points here that some of you asked that if I don't have, mathematics in 10 plus 2, then how to do about it. So what I would suggest that you must, continue this bridge course. We are going to see this course. The meaning is that this is going to add some value between your 10 plus 2 and the graduation. So that, and definitely we are going to teach you mathematics, accounting. Even some of you are from arts background, so you will come to know about accounting. Those who are not having maths in 10 plus 2, you can understand well in mathematics. Till the time we are going to open the college, we will continue this bridge course. So I am sure that the faculty member, the in charge of this subject, they will be taking care of to make you comfortable with mathematics and accounting. And definitely we are going to teach you about IT skills and soft skills, communication skills. So these all are the value added programs. You must continue regular in the class. Second hand, I would like to add here that those who have any concern about your entrance examination related to the syllabi and how to prepare about it. So DSPSR has taken the initiative and we are doing online coaching parallelly with this bridge course. So entire days of the week from Monday to Saturday, we have online coaching, this course, and one of the talk we are organizing on every Saturday, that is alumni talk or the corporate talk. So my submission is to all the students here that you all are supposed to be regular in the online classes. Then everything will be taken care. You don't have to worry about whether date of examination, when it will be announced, because we will be in touch with you and timely we will provide you that information. So nothing to worry about. Anything related to IP University information, we all are there to serve you. So by these words, I would like to now extend my vote of thanks formally. That first of all, I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to Director Sir for his inspirational words, which always encourage us to put our best efforts. And I'm sure that all participants of this orientation session of this course would also have been motivated. And thank you, sir, for handling all the queries of the students so well, so calmly. Thanks to Ms. Sakshi Goel and Dr. Sugandh Raval for coordinating the event of Bridge Course in a nice way. Thanks for taking the live poll from the participants. I'm sure students would have enjoyed it. Thanks to Ms. Sakshi ma'am again for giving the full-fledged presentation on behalf of all the faculty members on different topics which shall be covered under Bridge Course. Further, my thanks is also due to entire IT team and other faculty members for making the orientation program successful. Thanks to all the participants, all the students for their active participation and choosing to enroll with us for this online coaching as well as for the Bridge Course. Wish you all the best for forthcoming result of 10+2 board and for CET of Guru Gobind Singh Prastha University, Delhi. By these words, I would like to conclude here. Now over to you, Sakshi ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful words. Now, we would like to hear from you about the session through the given feedback form. The link has been pasted in the chat. You can start filling the feedback form. The next class of the Bridge Course session will take place on Thursday, that is 9th of July at 2 p.m. You will get information about it, mails and on WhatsApp also. And still you can ask any query if you have related to the course. I hope everyone is filling the feedback form. We are waiting for that.
Dr. Sakshi, Ankita has raised her hand. She must have some query. Ankita.
There's a query by Ankita as told by Director Sir. Mr. Deep Biswas can take up her query.
Yeah, Mr. Deep, what is that?
I have asked her. She may put it up in the chat box. Ankita, if you can hear me, put your query in the chat box.
Yeah, just Acha, Ankita. Okay.
Ankita is asking where is the feedback form. So Ankita, it is posted in the chat box.
The link has been pasted in the chat box. You can check.
Again, it has been displayed.
So if everyone has filled the feedback form, so can we close the session now? If the queries of all the students has been done. Thank you very much for giving your time at this platform, and we would like to see you again on next class. For further information, you can refer to our website, and further new links will be shared with you on timely basis. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sakshi.